Symbiosis Institute of Management, I would say, great place, great campus, great environment. I had a great session this morning. I think this whole conclave, business conclave that's put together, Arcturus, is a great experience for all. To me, that it's a great practice, it's a great event that has been sort of kicked off, and it's a good brand that can get built over time. And you are attracting good industry leaders into this, and they go back with a great feeling about Symbiosis.
It's a great pleasure to be here in this complex. It's amazing. Delighted that I got an opportunity to make a presentation to very, very talented individuals. KPMG, we always look out for great talent to be recruited in our organization. And when I saw the large group, a gathering of very highly talented students and individuals, I was very delighted, and a very great round of interaction with all of them. So it's great to speak to them in terms of what is collaboration, what is competition. I was delighted to share some of my experiences of the industry knowledge of KPMG, internal collaboration, how KPMG does collaboration with the external agencies to be successful in the marketplace.
I envy your place. It looks like a hill station, not a college. So you are having a good time. But more importantly, I got intelligent question. It was very impressive. So wish you very best.
Yeah, no, it's a great campus. Frankly, for me, it's the first time to be here, so I like the campus. So I know what exactly does it mean for students to learn and hear the first-hand experiences of some people. So for that matter, I think it was good for me to talk about my experience and share some of the things which do's and don'ts which I have gone through, and maybe learn something from my experience. So that way, this was good, and I liked to be here.
Coming to SIBM has been a great pleasure. I agree that this kind of interface gives not only the students an understanding of what the industry is going through or how the things work. Industry experts also, when they interact with the students, they get some inputs which they can use when they go back to their work. So it's both ways. It is refreshing and quite nice. I'm thankful to the team that they invited me, and I look forward to be here again. Thank you.
Good to see a high energy in the students. I enjoyed the question and answer sessions. To all the graduating students, here is the advice. Don't think about future too much. Jump, take a risk. This is the time to take a risk and enjoy life. All the best.
This program has been very good. I think it's two ways, even for people like me to interact with the students. And I feel I was able to share some of my experiences with the students, which could be beneficial.
It's one of the best sessions for any management student to attend. In fact, this year we had some of the best ones on campus, which included people from Airbus, KPMG. The theme for this time's Arcturus 2014 was collaboration versus competition. There has been an excellent collaboration with iSmart, the team which is taking care of media and promotion, along with the corporate interface team, which is making it sure that all events that are happening are captured, shared online, so that the world knows what's happening at SIBM today.